Hotels Yungho is located at Yonghe District, New Taipei City, Taiwan. Yonghe District is the smallest district in New Taipei City, and cross Xindian River is city of Taipei. Visitors can take MRT or bus to Taipei for minutes. Hotels Yungho since 2002 with 66 rooms is one of the Korean chain hotels under the K Hotel and Resort. Hotels Yungho is located within 10-minute walk from both MIT Dingxi Station and MRT Yongan Market Station. Lehua Night Market is next to the hotel. There are many new Taipei and Taipei Metro Bus stops nearby. I booked one large-size bedroom for US $98 per night without breakfast. Laundry room with one washer and two dryers is free and opens for 24 hours at second floor. There are 2 water bottles, coffee, and tea bags at room every day for free. A large bathroom has both shower and bathtub. I'm happy that there is a pack of free hot spring bath powder for bathtub. There are several tourist attractions within walking distance to hotel. Lehua Night Market, 823 Memorial Park, and Yongan Traditional Market. Visitors can take Metro Bus number 57 for 30 minutes to visit Market Global Mall, New Taipei City, Yonghe Store, a large shopping center. after staying at K Hotels Yungho for 4 nights. Here are my ratings of this hotel from 1 to 5. Location 5 out of 5. Wi-Fi quality 5 out of 5. Cleanliness 4 out of 5. Comfort level 3 out of 5. And value for money 4 out of 5. The pros are big size bedroom and bathroom with both shower and bathtub. The cons are hotel interior is too old. The whole hotel needs a facelift. There is only one elevator. Guests need to wait. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.